and don't deserve a vacation. I bit my tongue to stop myself from pointing out that Lisa actually didn't do much around the house. Tom had hired a maid last year because Lisa claimed housework gave her migraines. "So, you're not coming to Hawaii?" I asked. Lisa shook her head sadly. "Not unless Tom changes his mind, which he won't. He's being so stubborn." "It's okay," Dad patted Mom's hand. "We'll plan another family trip later in the year. This won't be our only chance." The rest of the dinner was somber, with everyone consoling Lisa about her controlling husband. I kept quiet, feeling a strange mix of sympathy and irritation. On one hand, Tom shouldn't unilaterally decide how family money gets spent. On the other hand, I knew Lisa well enough to guess there was more to this story. Over the next week, I took care of my vacation preparations. I requested 2 weeks off work, which my boss approved immediately, grateful for my recent project success. I packed my suitcase, made arrangements for my mail, and mentally prepared for 10 days with my parents without Lisa as a buffer.